Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I've got a family full of grillers, and now that I've been introduced to these magnetic grill gloves, gift giving has become a breeze. The grillers in my family have been introduced to grill gloves in the past, but the unique magnetic detail on these grill gloves makes them a must-have. Not only are these gloves heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, but they have a silicone grip pattern that makes them easy to grip and hold tools such as spatulas and tongs. I personally love that they were very easy and comfortable to use. They slide on easily, and with just a twist of the magnet, you can easily slide them off to add seasoning or to scratch your nose. My husband and I were also impressed by how strong the magnet is. You can turn these upside down and flail them about, and they're not going to go anywhere because it is locked and secured in place. These grill gloves are great to have around the house, whether you're grilling, building a campfire, or doing other hot jobs. Your hands and fingers will be protected from the heat. And whatever job you are doing, cleanup is a breeze because you can simply throw these in the dishwasher. So if you're looking for a great gift for yourself or for the griller in your life, then I highly recommend you check out these magnetic barbecue gloves from MagneCHEF. And that's my point of view.